I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Panjangam for 2nd July 2024. Animasam 18th, Tuesday. Krodhi Nama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Grishma Ridau, Midhuna Masam, Animasam, Krishna Paksham, up to 9:25 a.m. Ekadashi, then Dwadashi, Bhauma Vasarektayam, Nakshatram up to 6:31 a.m. Bharani, then Kartika. Rahukalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Yamakandam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Guligai 12 noon to 1:30 p.m. Today's good time 7:30 to 9 a.m. then 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam up to 12:15 Kanni Rashi, then Tula Rashi.